A is for Australian Kelpie. B is for barn owl.
C is for cockatoo.
Screech, screech. D is for dwarf gecko. E is for English bulldog. F is for Finnish Spitz. Arf, 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 arf. G is for Grue. H is for Hooded Seal. I is for Italian Mastiff.
J is for javelina.
Clack, clack. K is for Kerry Blue Terrier. L is for Guanaco.
M is for miniature pincher.
Bark, bark. N is for Nyala. O is for owl butterfly. Click, click. P is for Puma. Q is for quaking aspen tortrix.
R is for river otter.
S is for sloth. T is for tiger moth.
U is for Ucayali Spiny Rat. The letter U, proechimis. V is for velvet ant. The letter V, cow killer. W is for wood thrush, Hylocycla. X is for Xantus's hummingbird. Chip, chip.
Z is for zebra-tailed lizard.
Shh, shh.
The letter Z, Callosaurus.
The puppy says woof woof. The kitty says meow. One more. A is for aardvark cucumber beetle.
B is for boxer. C is for chittle.
D is for desert iguana. E is for European mantis. F is for Finnish Spitz. Arf, 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 arf. G. H is for Hawaiian Monk Seal. I is for Irish Setter.
J is for Javanese zebra finch. K is for Karoo chat.
Zip, zip.
is for lowland anoa. Grunt, grunt.
M is for Mexican red-knee tarantula.
N is for Nile grass rat.
O is for olive sea snake. P is for pampas cat.
Q is for Queensland ringtail possum.
R is for reed warbler. Song, song.
S is for spotted hyena.
T is for turkey. Gobble, gobble.
V is for Verreaux Sifaka.
Shifak, shifak.
W is for warbler.
X is for Javante worm lizard. Z is for Zanzibar red colobus. Cru-cru.
One more. Yes, yes, yes. A is for Abbott's Twee. B is for bearded vulture. C is for caterpillar. D is for dwarf chameleon. E is for eastern indigo snake.
F is for frigate bird.
G is for giant panda.
H is for Highland cattle dog. I is for Indian crested porcupine.
Rattle, rattle.
J is for Javanese salamander. K is for kinkajou.
Tweet, tweet. L is for luminous moth. Flash, flash.
M is for miniature donkey.
Hee-haw, hee-haw. O is for ornate spiny lizard.
P is for paradise flycatcher.
Q is for quail. Wet my lips, wet my lips.
R is for red-tailed hawk.
Scream, scream. S is for swallow-tailed kite.
T is for termite. U is for Underwood's long-tongued bat. The letter U, Anora. V is for violet-backed starling.
is for Weimaraner.
X is for Xingu snail eater. The letter X, Drepanoids. Y is for yellow-rumped warbler. The letter Y, Setopaga.
Z is for Zanzibar red colobus.